Arab, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Allow me a few moments of your time to share with you the vision of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates and the ruler of Dubai. Well, His Highness wanted to create something that has never been designed before and that will never be designed again. That is a landmark that will put Dubai on the global map. But the real question is, how did he find the best person to bring his vision to life? Well, a competition was arranged, which was won by an internationally acclaimed interior designer, Juan Chu. I want you to remember this name as you hear it a few more times during this journey. Now that we're in UAE, let's talk about our Emirati culture. Our Emirati culture is all about hospitality. We love to welcome our guests and treat them like our own. Here at Burj Al Arab, it's an extension for that tradition, but taken to the next level. Shortly, walk through those doors into the lobby of the hotel. It's a feast for your senses. I want you to take it all in as you make sure that you enjoy every tiny detail of this journey. Well,
Go.
Yes.
well, 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Let's wait and see what happens.
Welcome to the royal suite, the jewel in the crown of Burj Al Arab. Please come in. I've been expecting you.
Enjoy the rest of your tour.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your tour.
My name is Katrina, and I'll be your butler throughout your exciting journey. And it's my job to make you feel like a superstar. Anything you may want or need during your stay, it's my pleasure to make it happen day or night. It can be bookings at our restaurants, chauffeur travel, or just afternoon tea in your room. I'll arrange everything. So, how spectacular is our entrance hall?
Awesome, it's beautiful.
I love this impressive marble staircase, the 24-karat gold-plated ceiling and walls, and even your own elevator. All this designed to delight and amaze you and your guests. The room suite is bright and colorful. It looks so amazing on cameras. You are free to wait to keep up, as we have a lot to discover. So, are you ready for your first glimpse into your ultimate luxury living?
Sure.
Please follow me. We are about to enter the living room, so get ready for a burst of color. Earlier today we mentioned about 4 elements: air, earth, water, and fire. Our designer conscious that fire is the strongest and the brightest color of all, the king of palette. On the trees and on the top of the hotel you can see more reds and yellows. And here on this wall you can see red, and there orange. That is because these silk walls appear to change color throughout the day depending on the light. Even now we can see different variation of red color. His Highness wanted this room to have a total welcoming feel while being beautiful and luxurious. He also envisioned it to have many design elements, including Arabian motifs. In Royal Suite you can find a lot of art. Miss, I know you like pink color.
Yes, do?
This room is perfectly for you.
Okay, I'm coming now. Oh, wow. Mashallah.
Welcome to Majlis, a traditional Arabic meeting space where you can sit, relax, talk to your friends. Maybe for someone it's shocking pink. Would you believe me if I tell you the initial swatches for the room were rejected by His Highness for not to be pink enough? And eventually, Kuan Chu, our designer, she got inspiration for this color from very famous pink candy, Brighton Rock. That is essential part of English seaside holidays. For over many years, many celebrities were staying here. Impressive, right?
Too much.
All rooms in Royal Suite have some special design elements to create such breathtaking bedroom environment. I want you to take a look at our walls. You can see a lady bird that is hand-stitched with a fine golden thread. I can say this is the last row of the sky. As you can notice, it matches with the duvet cover and the curtains. Oh, I almost forgot. I had run your bath. Let's check how it's coming along. You call this room the sunburst room. As you can see, 4 elements reappeared here. Remember I told you about gold stitch wallpapers upstairs. Take a look at these fabulous curtains. If only you knew how much they cost, you would choose to look at them a bit longer. It actually is enough for you to get a night here in Burj Al Arab. The dining room had hosted many different occasions like high-profile international meetings, New Year's parties, and romantic anniversary dinner. Our guests have option to dine here with own private chef, so every detail is thoroughly thought through. Now let me show you our final room. This is our library that features dressing room and a bathroom. You may be wondering why a library needs a dressing room and a bathroom. That's because Royal Suite can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. And this room can be easily converted into the 3rd bedroom upon the guest request. I would be happy to spend some time. The rooms, but in my opinion, to get the most out of this experience, I recommend you to begin upstairs on the top right room, that is the architect studio. I will show you where the architect studio is. You will find hosts in each room, so feel free to ask as many questions as you want.
This is what experience suite.
This is the experience suite, exactly.
Last year we released over 200 turtles back into the sea. On release day, children often come
आई होप आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, और अगर मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो मेरी वीडियो लाइक करें, मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, और नेक्स्ट टाइम किसी और अच्छी जगह पे मिलेंगे। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।